Also, this has a power source, so I don't have any. Oh, crud! I say crud because I've been in this room before and I don't have any idea how it works. Alright, so there's my door out up there. And it looks like that key card gets power by routing this through there. And then there's this thing that lowers down or opens up somehow. And that's powered through this. So, realistically, I want this to be connected to both of those. Like this, I think. That's my guess. That's hitting the boiler, okay. Now, this isn't connected to anything. You know, it's possible I have to like turn something else on first. This leads into the boiler, and I think I want it up. I don't know. Alright, what does this thing do? No idea what the heck that thing does. This, though, definitely want that connected to something, so let's do that. Alright, well that's a dilemma. Okay, so this is going over here. What if I could get it to go down first, and then do the key card? That didn't quite do what I was hoping for. That did. Oh, yeah, I was getting that mixed up with the key card. I wonder if I unhook it, what will it do? It puts it back. Okay. That's great. What if I do this? Well, here's the deal. Oh. I kind of expected that to turn it off. But I guess it's getting power from over here, so it makes sense that it wouldn't. Okay. Let's go back up. Let's do this again. Oh. Okay. I wonder if I can just stop it at the right moment. Like, hey, let's see if I get lucky. Nope, blocking it again. There it goes. There. Okay. Alright, that means now I think I want oh. The heck? Sure. Did not know there was an elevator there. Okay. Well, let's just turn this on. Because as much boilers as I've got going is good. Like, as many as I can get going is good. So, yeah, that sets us into this room. And honestly, I think I'm pretty much good to go at that point. I don't know that I need to do anything else. if I want to get back, I mean, who cares? I mean, I'm good to go. Unless there's something I'm missing. But it looks like I'm good, so...